trying to keep the camera steady. I wasn't going to come to these museums today because it's all free, and I know there's going to be a lot of people. But I couldn't make up my mind where to go. I was going to go do the bike trail along the river. I couldn't find my spare tire, and I didn't want to get way out in the middle of nowhere and have it flat. I'm going to turn the camera this way, out a little bit. Maybe not. I don't know. I'm trying to figure all this out. I don't know if I can film here and I'll put the camera down.
Have you been to the Indian Museum?
Let's go this way and start right here. Cuando va queriendo quedar, se reconoce que tiene un poco de la...
Bread is the staff of life. If you can eat it and store bread, you will never go hungry. This bakery room, the storage room, and the outdoor
Where is this reminding you? Yes, it is.
Here's how someone would be on the other side. I guess there's
took great care in raising his wheat crop and was very proud of this agricultural enterprise. The New Helvetia Diary records a harvest.
Saturday, June 26, 1847. A ride around the wheat field showed that nearly all the
A la pila porque estaba yo lavando y no tenía mucho
My old stove.
Doggy? A jacket? Hello, sir.
Hello.
Are you having fun?
Oh yeah.
Good.
Give me 1 second. I can't pause this. That's one thing I don't like about it. You can't pause it. Alrighty, I got 2 cameras going at the same time. Let's see how fun this is going to be. I can't see either one of them because of the sun.
This way up here.
What's up there? Let's go see. I'm not good at one camera, let alone 2, so I got one in each hand. One's live, one's not. I got this one
I returned to my port after purchasing
and my phone.
I found that a company of immigrants had arrived in my absence.
Should I do ghost hunting here?
That had before crossed the mountain barrier. Some across the
Yeah, they asked you not to find those. No, don't be weird. I write a story, right? You're like original, they're restored. No, well, yeah, is there another place nearby?
Some guns. Dang, how you like to sleep on that darn thing? Today all the museums are free if you didn't know that, so Ariel and the kids went to the Park Art Museum.
Stairs. Come on. Up the stairs. Come on. Say hi, stroller. See you soon. Right back.
Hope these cameras are angled right, because I can't see nothing. The sun got, all I see is a blank screen.
I was correct about there being at least one.
Try not to shake the cameras, but they have it wrapped around the door handle. That's a naughty thing. That means don't go in there. Hello.
How are you today?
Good. Dang, I was gonna ghost hunt in there. I didn't know it was a person. Ew. Alright. Well, where am I gonna ghost hunt? This is a new camera. I have no idea if it's set right. I have it set on 2K instead of 4K. So it won't be so much to download. I can't get the Wi-Fi to work. I don't know how to make it work. It has Wi-Fi. Oh dang, what's up there? There's too many people. I don't see nobody in here. Let's ghost town. Hey, go ahead. Shit. Bunch of books in that one. Alright. I see nobody. Hello? Are there anybody in here? Can you speak into my camera? I heard it. It says, screw this, let's go home, eat cupcakes.
Stay home, we're all splitting up. We're not going to see my I know.
We want to come here to look at dumb old books. Oh, all the museums are free up until 5 o'clock. I thought it was 2 o'clock.
Occupied in a building outside the fort's walls. The furniture in my hut consisted of a rough wooden bench, a box, my chests,
Dang, all
one or
kinds of
two
guns over
kettles,
here.
a coffee or teapot, and several tins.
And those sparks, when they char cloth, and the char cloth grabs the spark and you blow on it, it gets hotter and hotter. So finally, it bursts in the flame, that little tin underneath. You take your tin and light it, you light some candles in the house, and you relight the fireplace, and you don't get a whooping. So this saves you, Micah. This is a colonial table lighter, usually flint and steel.
And there must be food in there.
Good mechanics were plentiful. But by the sudden discovery of gold, all my great plans were destroyed. Had I succeeded with my mills and manufactories for a few years before gold was discovered,
I gotta be honest with you. I don't think this is a good adventure. I'm bored. I cared less about this. I wonder how many people came flying through this gate with the Indians chasing them. Open the door. Alright, I'm out of here. This is boring. Yeah, I'm at 28th and L, and I gotta walk back to Alhambra and J Street. Alright, I want to end my camera. Oh man, I got 5 remote control, got the remote control on my wrist, and I got both hands full. Ain't this a bitch? Alright, well, for those that watched the post, Brian's Little Adventures, thanks for watching. And I got to stop it.